Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a very interesting chapter which title is the rat trap. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the important characters. What are the characters which is in this story? So let's start about the character. First, the rat trap peddler. This is important character of this story, and the rat trap peddler is a single person who does not have any family, but he just makes the rat trap, and after selling those rat trap he earns the money. Now next is the crofter. Crofter is also a single person. He does not have wife and children in his family. He lives alone and he has a small cottage. Now third character is Iron Master. Iron Master, he is the owner of the mills. He is a very rich person. He has his own iron mills. Now third character is daughter of Iron Master. This is very important character, which role you will study, and you will find when you will study this story that how does she play her role in this story, whose name is Agla Wilmanson. So without wasting any time, we come directly on the summary of the story. So students, we are starting the summary of the story. You have come to know about the characters. So there are four characters: rat trap peddler, second is crofter, third is Iron Master, and fourth is daughter of Iron Master. Now the first point is the rat trap peddler and his thoughts about the world. Actually, as I described, that the peddler is a single person. He does not have any family member, and he compares this world. He thinks about this world, that whole world is just like a big rat trap. There is given while being engrossed in his thoughts about rat traps. While he was busy in his thoughts, so he thought that this world is like a big rat trap, and that the world is like a big rat trap. This world provides shelter, this world provides everything, but sometimes we become the victim of this. So this is about this first heading. Second point is the crofter treats the peddler nicely, but the peddler cheats him. Actually, one day peddler was going somewhere. When he was passing through the way, he saw that there was a cottage, and that cottage was of a crofter. He went beside it and he knocked the door of the cottage. The crofter received the peddler very nicely. He welcomed him and he treats the peddler very nicely, but the peddler cheated him. How did peddler cheat him? The peddler asked a question during the night to the crofter that how do you run your life? What is the source of your livelihood? So crofter was a very simple man. He had a cow by which milk he used to earn his livelihood. So he showed him that I got 30 kronos after selling the milk of my cow. So watching it, they slept during the night, and early in the morning the peddler stole that money and he cheated him. So now third point is the vagabond is pleased with his smartness. Vagabond means peddler. Vagabond is pleased. Peddler is pleased with his smartness, that he cheated to the crofter. But what happened after that stealing? This is given here. He was lost in the forest. Actually, after stealing, he could not go on the public highway, otherwise he will be caught by someone. So he reached in the forest, where he was lost in the forest. During a whole day was spent in the forest. At the time of evening, when he thought that when he is not getting any shelter, so he thought he is going to die. But at that time, what happened with him? This is given in the fourth point. The peddler meets the Iron Master. So suddenly he found that there was coming the sound of thumping. Actually he thought that somebody is there. he went in the direction of that sound, so he found there is an iron mill. He reached there, he took the permission to the blacksmith for staying there, and the blacksmith allowed him for staying there. After that, actually it was the iron mill of the iron master, and he was a very, conscious person about his duty. He used to come every night on the inspection of his iron mill. So on that evening, on that night, he came to inspect his iron mill. So he found there is a man who is lying on the floor. So he initially, when he saw at his face, so he found that he was looking like his old regimental friend. He thought that he is his friend, and he offered him that you should come along with me at my house. But Peddler was a very clever person. He stole some money. He thought that if he will accept his invitation, he will be in a problem. So he at once declined his invitations. So students, I hope that you have come to know about the summary and about the main characters of the story. In the next video, we shall discuss about the rest of the chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.